Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple pins on Pinterest. So go for your Pinterest account. Now click on your profile here. Then choose that board from which you wanna uh, delete multiple pins. So I'll choose this one and just go for this organize. Now select uh, this one. Okay, okay. Then just go for delete. Click on delete and it's done. So in this way, you can delete multiple pins on Pinterest. So if you guys found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.